What if I told you that watching a comedy after dinner could be better for your blood sugar than taking a walk? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, Japanese scientists just proved that laughter might be the sweetest medicine of all. Welcome back to Healthy Briefing, where we uncover the surprising science behind everyday wellness. Today we're diving into one of the most joyful health discoveries I've ever come across. Because it turns out, the best medicine really might be laughter. In 2003, researchers at the University of Tsukuba in Japan conducted a fascinating experiment. They took 19 people with type 2 diabetes and had them eat identical meals on 2 different days. Day 1, after eating, they attended a boring 40-minute lecture about diabetes complications. Not exactly mood-lifting material. Day 2, after the same meal, they watched a 40-minute comedy show that had them laughing out loud. The results. After the boring lecture, their blood sugar spiked to an average of 123 milligrams per deciliter. But after the comedy show, only 77 milligrams per deciliter. That's a 37% difference just from laughing. But how does laughter actually lower blood sugar? It's not magic, it's science. First, laughter is physical exercise. When you laugh, your diaphragm contracts, your heart rate increases, and you're essentially doing a mini workout. This muscle activity helps your body use up glucose more efficiently. Second, laughter reduces stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones normally tell your liver to release more glucose into your bloodstream. Less stress hormones means less glucose flooding your system. Third, laughter triggers the release of endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. These don't just make you happy, they actually improve insulin sensitivity, helping your cells absorb glucose more effectively. And here's the kicker, the effects last. The researchers found that people who laughed regularly had better long-term blood sugar control, not just in the moment. So what does this mean for you? Well, if you're pre-diabetic, diabetic, or just want to optimize your blood sugar, try the comedy after dinner rule. Instead of scrolling through stressful news or work emails after meals, watch something that makes you genuinely laugh. Make laughter social. Eating with friends and family who make you laugh isn't just good for your soul, it's good for your blood sugar too. But remember, this isn't about fake laughter or forcing it. The study participants were genuinely amused. Find content that truly makes you laugh, whether it's stand-up, funny movies, or silly pet videos. This study is part of a growing field called gelotology, the study of laughter's effects on health. Other research shows that laughter can boost immune function by increasing infection-fighting antibodies, lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels, reduce inflammation markers in the blood, even burn calories. 15 minutes of hearty laughter burns about 40 calories. It's like your body has a built-in pharmacy, and laughter is the key that unlocks all the good stuff. Here's what I love about this research. It reminds us that health isn't just about restriction and discipline. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your body is simply enjoy life. This is Healthy Briefing, where we discover that sometimes the best medicine is also the most fun. Subscribe for more surprising health science, and let me know in the comments what's the last thing that made you laugh so hard your stomach hurt. Until next time, keep laughing.